Woo, I'm back. This cured perfectly, nice and smooth. It was very hot yesterday, so we had the doors open. Flies were everywhere. I was crossing my fingers that I didn't have any land in my epoxy. We're good to go. I pulled the tape down at the perfect time. If you come back and your drips are looking like this, and you have barely any on your plastic, you hit a grand slam on pulling that tape. You saw yesterday how slow that moved. The timing was perfect. It was about 2 hours and 45 minutes after I mixed here in Oregon. The temperatures were about the mid 80s, low humidity. So adjust that time, like I said before. If you're in higher humidity and higher temperatures, that's gonna set up a little bit quicker. The next step, I'm gonna go grind these drips off. This table is a little coffee table. I paid 20 bucks for it. It comes with these little legs. I'm gonna go surprise my wife. It's my anniversary on Sunday. Let me know in the comments below, how long have you been married to your beautiful spouse? To remove these, I'm just gonna flip it over, grab a metal fiber sanding disc. That takes quick work of removing those drips. This here is your most efficient and effective way to remove your drips. You're not gonna wanna use this in your customer's home by any means. If I was installing this in my customer's home, I would sit tight. I would stick around the job site and smooth these drips out with a stick. Maybe an hour after I peel this tape, all that material is gonna be done dripping. Then I could come scrape those nice and smooth, and the epoxy will be smooth like this. No sanding will be necessary. So like I said, the metal fiber disc is the most efficient and effective way to remove these drips. You could also use a random orbital sander with about 60 grit to 120 grit. Whenever sanding cured epoxy, be sure to wear your respirator. Instant coffee table. That looks way better. This table was pure white like these legs. I bought it. And if you are anything like me and have children, a pure white coffee table would not last very long in my home. But when using Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy, it is very durable, cleanable, stain resistant, scratch resistant, heat resistant. The only thing it's not resistant to is you liking it. Oh, look at that. Oh, my wife's gonna love this. This is some Van Gogh granite if I've ever seen it, guys. And it cost me only to make this piece, well, a little bit over 50 bucks. And now I have a cool little coffee table. Guys, I hope you learned a little bit of tips and tricks that gives you some confidence to try this over your existing or building new countertops. From all of us here at Stone Coat, we hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, don't forget, you got this. And we'll see you on the next video.
Stone Coat.